there's a postcard that we've published in different times, and we've given them to different families, but it's very simple. On one side of the postcard, there is a grouping of faces of actual sexual predators who are serving time or have served time in jail, had been found guilty of sexually offending a minor. And on the right side is a young girl looking at her computer screen, and the headline says this: "You should see who your daughter met online last night." And then down underneath, the byline says, "No, really, you should." And again, if your child has time for social media, mom, dad, grandpa, and grandma, you have time for social media. Online dangers or online access. And again, it's not that we're asking you to not trust your child or to give your child access to all of the great things that are out there. There's some great things in social media. There's great things online that can be accessed. And it's not like I'm trying to convince you to limit your child's access. What I'm trying to help you understand is that when you hand that phone or that computer or that iPad, that tablet, not only are you giving your child access to the World Wide Web, but you're giving millions of people access to your child. And in that, unsupervised, unwatched, it's dangerous. The online dangers can lead to child pornography. It can lead to abduction. I can't tell you the number of times that we've been called in by a family because the child has gone missing. And we go and we look back into their social media, and we find out that over time, this young person has been communicating and again, freely sharing information. This is when my mom and dad work. This is when I'm home alone. This is my address. This is where my room is. Even to the point where they'll show videos of their room. They'll walk a predator. Now, it's not like they know that this is a predator. It's somebody posing as somebody their age, somebody that cares for them. But they'll actually walk them through with their phone, recording every square inch of their house. It could lead to human trafficking, to sexting, to cyberbullying. Helping our kids to know that just because the profile pic up in the corner is somebody that looks like their age, even though in their lists of interests under the About section lists all of the things that, those are the same things that I love to do. We have so much in common. But help our kids understand that anybody can put any picture they want in that little circle. And not everybody online can be trusted. We have to have these conversations with our kids.
For more information about how you, your business, or your community can be empowered to recognize and report human trafficking and the sexual exploitation of minors, or how you can protect the kids in your life against victimization, visit us at americaunchained.org. The America Unchained Project, empowering everyone to take their place in the fight against human trafficking and the sexual exploitation of minors.